Are you ready to dive into the world of marketing principles? This video explores key theoretical models and frameworks that guide effective marketing strategies. Discover how these principles can be applied in real-world business scenarios.
The marketing mix, initially introduced as the 4 Ps, is a foundational framework in marketing. It includes product, price, place, and promotion. These elements guide businesses in offering valuable products to customers. The model expanded to 7 Ps to address services marketing, adding people, process, and physical evidence. Each element plays a crucial role in creating a comprehensive marketing strategy. SWOT analysis is a strategic tool to evaluate internal strengths and weaknesses. It also assesses external opportunities and threats. This framework helps businesses understand their competitive position. By identifying these factors, companies can develop strategies to leverage strengths and opportunities. It also aids in mitigating weaknesses and threats. Pestle analysis evaluates macro-environmental factors affecting an organization. It considers political, economic, social, technological, legal, and environmental influences. This framework helps businesses understand the broader context they operate in. By analyzing these factors, companies can make informed strategic decisions. It ensures alignment with external conditions. Porter's 5 Forces model analyzes industry competitiveness. It examines the threat of new entrants and bargaining power of suppliers. The model also considers buyer power and the threat of substitutes. Industry rivalry is the final force influencing market dynamics. Understanding these forces helps businesses strategize effectively. The Ansoff matrix identifies growth opportunities for businesses. It presents 4 strategies: market penetration, market development, product development, and diversification. Each strategy focuses on different combinations of products and markets. This tool helps businesses evaluate potential growth paths. It guides strategic planning for market expansion. The BCG matrix is a portfolio management tool. It categorizes products into stars, cash cows, question marks, and dogs. This classification is based on market growth and market share. The matrix helps businesses allocate resources effectively. It supports strategic decisions regarding product lines. The marketing process involves several key steps. It starts with a marketing audit to assess current strategies. Environmental analysis follows, using tools like Pestle. SWOT analysis helps identify internal and external factors. Setting aims and objectives guides the planning phase. Understanding constraints and options ensures realistic strategies. Market segmentation divides a market into distinct groups. It considers demographic, socioeconomic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral factors. Each method targets specific consumer needs and preferences. Segmentation allows tailored marketing strategies for each group. It enhances marketing effectiveness and customer satisfaction. Demographic segmentation uses variables like age, gender, and income. These factors often correlate with consumer needs. Different age groups have varying preferences. Gender-specific products cater to distinct needs. Income levels influence purchasing decisions and product choices. Socioeconomic segmentation considers social and economic status. It includes income, education, and occupation. Social class often links to lifestyle and product preferences. Education level affects purchasing behavior. Occupation indicates distinct needs and interests. Geographic segmentation divides markets by location. Variables include region, climate, and urban versus rural areas. Different regions have unique preferences and needs. Climate influences product demand and marketing strategies. Urban and rural areas differ in accessibility and product demand. Psychographic segmentation considers lifestyle, values, and personality. It aims to understand deeper consumer motivations. Lifestyle reflects how people spend their time. Values and attitudes influence buying decisions. Personality traits affect preferences and product choices. Behavioral segmentation focuses on consumer behavior. It considers product usage, benefits sought, and loyalty status. Usage rate classifies consumers by frequency of use. Benefits sought vary among consumers for the same product. Loyalty status influences marketing strategies and promotions. Digital marketing uses electronic devices and the internet for marketing. It involves balancing digital and traditional methods. Timing and content are crucial for effective digital marketing. Maintaining current marketing material ensures relevance. Efficient allocation of time, effort, and budget optimizes results. Marketing faces several challenges, including time and expertise. Budget constraints limit comprehensive strategies. Aligning with the buying cycle is crucial for effectiveness. Pricing and product-market fit require careful consideration. Correct product placement ensures accessibility and visibility. Effective marketing requires significant time investment. Balancing marketing activities with operational tasks is challenging. Timeliness is crucial for campaign success. Missing critical windows can reduce impact. Strategic planning helps manage time effectively. Effective marketing needs diverse skills, including digital and content creation. Many businesses face skill gaps and lack expertise. The marketing landscape evolves continuously. Keeping up with trends requires ongoing learning. Expertise ensures effective strategy execution. Marketing can be expensive, posing budget challenges. Limited resources affect strategy scope and effectiveness. Cost management is crucial for balanced allocation. Overspending in one area impacts others. Efficient use of budget enhances marketing outcomes. Matching product attributes to market needs is essential. Accurate market research guides product development. Poor research leads to misaligned products. Product features must meet consumer expectations. Ensuring product-market fit drives adoption and success.
Understanding marketing principles and frameworks is crucial for success. Theories like the marketing mix and SWOT analysis guide strategies. Effective marketing requires addressing challenges in time, expertise, and budget. By leveraging these insights, businesses can achieve their marketing goals. Implementing these principles ensures competitive advantage and growth. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.